speaker is Sadia, and she would explain how can we improve our vocabulary.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope you all are good. I just want to introduce myself. I'm Sadia, daughter of Muhammad Irshad Ahmad. Recently, I have completed personality development shop. At first, I would like to thank Madrasa Husalil Banat and Sunnah English Medium School for giving me a chance to enhance my communication skills. Today, I'm gonna talk about how can we improve our vocabulary. So let's go ahead. If you want to talk English fluently, if you want to talk English by a wonderful way, then you have to improve your vocabulary. Do you know what happens sometimes? We are well in grammar and we can deliver speeches by good pronunciation, but still we can't talk in English. Do you know the reason? I know the reason. So listen carefully. The reason is we have not enough vocabulary. What is vocabulary? Vocabulary means all the words known to an individual, used by an individual within a particular language is called vocabulary. Or all the words or stock of words that exist in a particular language is called vocabulary. So my beloved friends, there are so many skills for vocabulary building, but here I want to explain some useful and effective points. So listen with the heart. I divided my topic between 3 points. Number 1, learn one compliment word a day, use it every day. Number 2, try to explain the meaning of the word to a friend or family member. Number 3, note what to do. As you heard, my first point was we should learn one compliment word a day and start using it. For example, impeccable. What an impeccable speech you have. Oh my God, your baby has such impeccable manners. What an impeccable sense of style you have. Let's take another example, suffering. I hate to see animals suffering. The country has suffered greatly at the hands of its corrupt government. He made a rash decision and now he is suffering for it. My second point is, try to explain the meaning of the word to a friend or family member. Teach the new word to someone else. This will help to improve your understanding and explain them information to someone else. Forces you to improve your memory, you organize your thoughts and structure information in your mind. Teach the new word to someone else. This will help to improve your understanding and it really helps you to remember a new word or phrase. For example, explain to a friend that meticulous is used to describe someone who is very careful about doing something and extremely accurate. An exact way you can do it, even in your native language, because the goal is to remember the meaning. My third point is note. What to do? Write the word down. Pay attention to the spelling. I want you to write the word meticulous down. Pay close attention to the spelling. The nice thing about making notes is that it helps you to test yourself because you remember the correct spelling of the word. So my friends, if you think deeply, these points are very useful to improve our vocabulary. I want to conclude my presentation. Thanks a lot for paying attention. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.